If AI continues on this revolutionary growth path, we might just start getting paid like food software. Here are 3 reasons why the AI hype today is eerily similar than past technological advancements. If we can understand these patterns, it just might change how you think about the future of AI. The first misconception is that many of us think that these AI advancements will just continue exponentially at the pace that we've seen in recent years. But the reality is AI development often follows this path where we get these things called AI winters. Basically, after the initial breakthrough, usually what happens is things kind of get a bit more complicated. We're trying to get AI to reason like a human being. And as engineers are going to start to tackle these more difficult, challenging, complex problems, things might start to stagnate a bit. Misconception number 2. There's actually this prevalent belief that any minute now we'll be talking to Gordon. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, Gordon. Machines that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge against a wide range of tasks.
I'm Katie. It's nice to meet you, Katie. Do you want to hang out?
Just like humans. So the reality is, language learning models, they still are a bit fundamentally narrow in scope. They excel in specific tasks like patterns and data, but really truly lack true understanding and rationale. Capabilities that remain elusive, and it just might take years, even decades, to even realize. Misconception number 3, that this rapid AI development will inevitably lead to universally beneficial applications, creating this utopia of efficiency and innovation. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
No.
The fast-paced development of AI raises some numerous ethical concerns, including bias in algorithms, privacy issues, potential for job displacement. As AI technologies advance, AI serves the public good rather than exacerbating existing inequalities, creating new problems. I mean, just think about it. Oh, what up, John? Oh, what up, Kelly? Hey, Mark.
We just fired the person that does that, but now you have been promoted. You are now one of my elite employees.
What up, Tron 9000? What up? What? How come? Hashi 911? Oh, what up, Hashi Tashi? What up, Hashi? Imagine walking in your office to find that your entire team has been replaced by AI, leaving you jobless, struggling to pay rent. What if AI decides that you're too high risk to get a loan simply because of your race or your zip code, locking you out of financial opportunities? If you think AI is gonna blow everything away tomorrow, think again. We still got a little bit to go.